Welcome back, my routers. Today is day 4 of our Train Your ChatGPT Assistant class, and this one is. We're learning how to speak the command language of AI and the art of prompt design. Remember, the more specific your prompts, the smarter your assistant becomes. So let's dive into the language that teaches AI how to understand you.
Today's class is prompt design and command. Go to new chat. I'm already in new chat. I want ChatGPT to write me a story. I'm a digital marketer and I want to market some products. How do I start it? Generate a prompt for my business and the nature or anything. This is it. So anytime you want to design a prompt, you just use these 3 things: hook, story, and call to action. That's all. Thank you for today.
Instead of one long, confusing prompt, break your ideas into steps. Example: ask ChatGPT to summarize an idea. Then ask it to expand that summary into a script using hook, story, and call to action. Practice this and watch how your assistant changes tone immediately when you get the structure right. Thank you.